Investing in stocks with Revolut, a popular financial services app, involves the following steps. Sign up and verify account. Download the Revolut app and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Complete the necessary identity verification process by providing your personal details and submitting identification documents. Upgrade to Premium or Metal plan. Stock trading on Revolut is available to Premium and Metal plan users. Upgrade your account if necessary by selecting the desired plan within the app. Fund your Revolut account. Add funds to your Revolut account using a bank transfer, debit card, or other supported payment methods. Ensure you have sufficient funds to cover your intended investments. Access Trading section. Navigate to the Wealth section within the Revolut app and select Stocks. This will take you to the stock trading interface where you can view available stocks. Research stocks. Use the app's research tools to find information about various stocks. Analyze company performance, financials, and market trends to make informed investment decisions. Place an order. Once you've selected the stock to invest in, click on it, enter the amount you wish to invest, and place your order. You can buy fractional shares, making it easier to invest in high-priced stocks. Monitor your investments. Check your stock investments through the Revolut app. Review performance, set alerts, and make additional trades as needed.